Welcome to the Novice Builder, where every expert was once a novice. Today I'm going to show you the initial plan I've put together for my chicken coop. I made a 3D animation so we can all visualize how it might look, but this is just the starting point. I haven't started building yet. Right now I'm still in the planning stage. My wife and I actually decided to put up a temporary chicken coop first, just to test out my vision. I'll be sharing more about that in a separate video, but for now, I really want to focus on this planning stage. That's why I'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. Any ideas, tips, or improvements will help me refine this design until I come up with the final 3D plan. In this video, I'll walk you through the design and the measurements I'm considering so far. Let's get into it. Here's the chicken coop plan based on the blueprint. The overall footprint measures 21 feet 4 inches by 15 feet. The roof has a slanted design, with wall heights of 10 feet on the tall side and 8 feet 4 inches on the shorter side. The coop also includes an automated feeder measuring 21 feet 4 inches long and 1 foot 5 inches high. Inside, there's a dedicated 5-foot section for nesting and roosting, complete with a 1 foot 5 inch wide ramp that rises 3 feet, allowing chickens to move in and out easily. Second, water system. For water, I'll run a supply line connected to automatic drinking bowls so the chickens always have fresh water. To keep the water clean and safe, a filtration system will be added before it reaches the drinking bowls. Third, feeding system. Feeding will be handled by an automatic feeder, dispensing grains directly into feeding trays. This saves time and ensures the chickens are fed consistently throughout the day. Fourth, waste management. Underneath the roosting area, there will be a sliding waste tray. This makes daily cleaning quick and efficient. The collected waste won't go to waste. It'll be composted and reused as fertilizer in the greenhouse, completing a sustainable cycle. Fifth, HVAC. Comfort inside the coop is important. I'll be installing a solar-powered ductless AC mini split system for heating and cooling. This keeps the chickens comfortable in all seasons, while ensuring the system runs on renewable solar energy. Sixth, lights and power. The chicken coop will also be powered by solar panels combined with a 110-volt electrical outlet. This system will provide power for the lighting, ventilation fans, automatic feeders, and water systems. Seventh, doors, panels, and natural light. For natural light and airflow, the coop will feature doors and sections fitted with polycarbonate panels. These panels are durable, lightweight, and allow sunlight to brighten the interior while helping regulate temperature and airflow. Eighth, flooring and drainage. The flooring will be cement, making it easy to clean and resistant to moisture. A drainage system will be built in to handle water runoff and keep the coop dry. This concludes the planning stage for the chicken coop, a structure designed to be efficient, sustainable, and easy to maintain. Next, the focus shifts to the greenhouse, where we'll cover its design, measurements, and systems in detail. Join me in the next video as we continue building this backyard step by step here on the Novice Builder. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your questions, tips, or suggestions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out my upcoming project and videos.